what if there was an invention, just one, that could solve every single one of these problems?
Hi, we're Scott and Julie Broussard, inventors of solar roadways.
We met in the 1960s when we were 3 and 4 years old. Many things have changed since then, but do you know what hasn't changed? Our roads. We're so excited to show you our prototype solar parking lot.
The first thing you'll notice is the surface of our parking lot is made out of glass. It's not your typical glass that you'd think of, but a super strong, textured, tempered glass. And our glass has been subjected to traction testing, load testing, and impact resistance testing and passed all with flying colors. The next thing you see are the dark rectangular solar cells, and they're sitting on a green background. That green background is the circuit board, which contains the microprocessor, which turns it into an intelligent road. You'll notice that for our prototype, we're only able to cover 69% of the surface with the solar cells, and our final version will be covered 100%. Our mounting holes will soon be covered, and we'll put mastic in between the panels to eliminate the gaps. The heating elements will keep the road surface snow and ice free all winter long. Our cable corridor has two sections. One is for power and data, and the other is for stormwater. Data lines include telephone, high-speed internet, fiber optic, things like that. The power side replaces the need for overhead or underground cables and eliminates the possibility of the overhead cables getting icy and coming down. The other side is for stormwater.
Stormwater is a huge source of pollution of our lakes and rivers and oceans. We can treat it right on site, or we can move it to a treatment center. Our panels have microprocessors. This gives us the ability to make all of our roads and parking lots and every other application intelligent. In addition to illuminating the LEDs and reading the load cells, the microprocessor is a two-way communications device. With 128 LEDs in each panel and 5 different colors, there is no limit to the lines, texts, and graphics you can create.
Our smart roads will prevent accidents by warning you of danger and will pave the way for driverless vehicles. The solar roadway is a decentralized power grid, which can become the backbone of the new smart grid.
We've been working really hard to use as many recycled materials as we can. We'd love to hire recycling experts to make it even greener. The implementation of our vision on a massive scale can produce more energy than we use as a nation.
We'll have an abundance of clean energy from the sun, and we'll no longer have to depend on fossil fuels.
Solar roadways would provide the infrastructure needed for electric vehicles, allowing them to be charged by the sun rather than by fossil fuels. This project has been a leap of faith from the start. We knew it wouldn't be easy, but we really wanted to make the world a better place.
Along the way, we realized that our project could solve a lot more problems than just greenhouse gases and our dependency on fossil fuels.
We've come this far with just the 2 of us and a couple of part-time volunteers. We work a lot of 18-hour days. We've tried hard to think through every aspect, to get it right, to make an excellent product that is beautiful as well as functional.
We didn't have the funding for load cells and piezoelectric elements, and we'd like to put those in the next version of our panels. We want to create different glass textures for various applications and more sizes for needs like curbs and odd spaces.
We're so fortunate to have potential customers from all over the world, but we need your help to get started. The more money we can raise, the sooner our product will be available. Now we need to bring in a team of the best and brightest people to help us improve it, streamline production, and move us forward.
To enable our vision, we'll need to build manufacturing facilities in every state in the U.S. and nearly every country in the world. That's a lot of jobs. Our plan will help the U.S. and every other country manufacture its way to economic growth.
We'll be working together to create jobs, fight climate change, and make the earth safer and greener. We're hoping to provide all of our children and grandchildren with a cleaner, brighter future.
We're asking for your help. Our technology works, and our test results have been outstanding. Now it's time to gear up for manufacturing.
Will you join us and become part of the paradigm shift that can put our world on a new path?
Thank you.